So hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to cover flying mechanics in Unreal Engine. In our previous video we covered how to transform from a particular character to a different character, and in that part I covered that we are converting into a crow, and in this tutorial I'm going to add the flying mechanics to our crow. So I will recommend you to first watch that video, otherwise you will find this video kinda tricky. So let's get begin. So this is our previous blueprint which we created for our transformation. Now for our flying mechanics we will create our inputs. So come to your content browser. In my case I am using the third person character which already have a input folder, so we don't have to make new one. So open it, and here under action select your move input and just duplicate it, rename it, and now open your input mapping content. So here click on this plus icon for new input and select our new input that we just created. Now just click on this plus icon to add more keys, and for first one I am choosing Z and for second one I am choosing X. So here we have to do one more thing here basically. So under this modifier of your X, just simply add a new modifier and select a negate. So this is going to help us to give a negative commands. Okay, so compile and save this and come inside your third person blueprint again. Now come here and search for our recent created input that we just created. Now drag a node and search for a branch. Now drag your character movement in your graph. Through it search for a node is flying and connect the return value with our condition. And from true get a node add movement inputs, and under the world direction make the Z as 1. And now on our input node right click on action value and split the pins and connect the action value X with our scale value. So this blueprint that we just created is nothing but a command that we will give to our character when he is flying, whether to go up or down side. Now we have to make a input for making our character to fly. So for that here I'm using B key. You can also activate it, like when character becomes bird it activate. I will show you that in the end. Now before moving further, make a variable of boolean type is flying, and I will come inside my active bird and set this as a true. Now under visible character do the same but make it uncheck on our variable. Now get a branch, get our variable, connect it with our condition, and from the true search for set movement mode, and under new movement select our flying. Now compile and save it, and now let's give it a try. So here inside my game you can see that soon right now I'm pressing my left mouse button but nothing happens, but soon I will become bird and I will press it. Then you can see that now I am able to fly. It means if I am pressing Z I am flying, I'm going up, and if I am pressing X then I am coming down. But if you will see, if I will come back to my normal character I am still flying. So we have to fix this now. So come inside our blueprint, and here just open our character visible nodes, and at the last search for node set movement mode and make it walking. Compile and save this, and let's give it a try. So here in my game you can see that if I will press my F button I will transform into our bird and I can fly. Right now I'm pressing Z and I'm just going upside, and if I'll come back to normal then you can see I'm not able to fly. My character cannot fly but my bird can fly. So that's good, but now I'm thinking let me show you how to do it without using our left mouse button, how we can directly fly after becoming a bird. So let's give it a try. So here delete our left mouse key, copy all these nodes and come to your visible bird node, paste and connect it here. Compile and save it. Let's give it a try. So in my viewport I am going to make some heighted place so that I can show you how good it is. So I'm just scaling this up and I will press F, and now you can see without pressing my key I can fly. I'm pressing Z and I'm in the sky, and if I'll press my F key again I will just convert into my character which cannot fly. So that's enough for this video. If you have any query related to this you can ask me in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe, and you can also join our Discord server. Link is in my description. Bye bye.